Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an iPhone user, you know how frustrating that iCloud storage full notification can be. It pops up at the worst times, interrupting your day. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through simple, effective steps to banish that notification for good in 2025. Let's dive in and free up that space. First, understand the problem. iCloud is Apple's cloud storage for your photos, backups, and files. When it's full, your device can't save new data, leading to those annoying alerts. With the latest iOS updates in 2025, managing storage has gotten even easier. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on your name at the top. This takes you to your Apple ID page. Next, select iCloud and then Manage Storage. Here, you'll see a breakdown of what's using up your space, like old photos, apps, or backups. Step 2. Start by reviewing and deleting unnecessary items. For example, if you have outdated backups, tap on them and delete. In the Photos section, enable Optimize iPhone Storage to keep full-resolution photos in iCloud while storing smaller versions on your device. This can free up gigabytes instantly. Step 3. Take advantage of 2025's new features. Apple has introduced automated tools. Head to Settings greater than iCloud greater than Storage Management and turn on Auto Cleanup. This smart feature will automatically remove files you haven't accessed in months, making maintenance effortless. Step 4. If you're still tight on space, consider upgrading your iCloud plan. Options start at just a few dollars a month for extra storage, which is a worthwhile investment for heavy users. Finally, adopt some best practices. Regularly offload unused apps, use third-party services like Google Drive for backups, and check your storage weekly. By following these steps, you'll say goodbye to that pesky notification and keep your iPhone running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.